What if you had to choose between love and success? And both came at a cost. Revolution 2020 is a story about three friends, ambition, corruption, and the choices that define your life. Here comes the main characters. Gopal Mishra, poor, hardworking, desperate to become rich. Raghav Kashyap, intelligent, idealistic, wants to change society. Aarti, their childhood friend caught between love and practicality. The story is set in Varanasi and revolves around Gopal and Raghav, two boys from very different mindsets. Gopal comes from a financially struggling family. His only goal in life is simple: earn money and escape poverty. Raghav, on the other hand, is driven by values and justice. He dreams of becoming a journalist and fighting corruption. Both of them love the same girl, Aarti. Gopal fails to crack the engineering entrance exam multiple times. Feeling like a failure, he moves to Kota to prepare again. Meanwhile, Raghav succeeds and gets into a good college. This creates a gap between them, not just in success but in thinking. After failing again, Gopal returns to Varanasi, frustrated and broken. But then comes a twist. With the help of a corrupt politician, Gopal starts his own engineering college. He enters a world full of bribes, donations, fake education systems. And slowly, he becomes rich and successful, but at the cost of his morals. Raghav becomes a journalist and starts exposing corrupt politicians, fake institutions. He chooses the hard path of truth even though it brings struggle and danger. Aarti is in a relationship with Raghav, but when Raghav gets busy with his mission, she grows closer to Gopal. Eventually, Aarti and Gopal start a relationship. Now the story becomes intense because Gopal has everything Raghav doesn't: money, stability, Aarti. Gopal realizes something important. He may have money, but he doesn't have peace, honesty, or true love. He understands that Aarti truly loves Raghav. So what does he do? He sacrifices his love. He lies and pretends he is a bad person just to push Aarti back towards Raghav. Revolution 2020 is not just a love story. It asks a powerful question. Is success worth it if you lose your values? The book shows corruption can make you rich but not happy. True success comes from integrity. Sometimes letting go is the biggest act of love. So in the end, Revolution 2020 teaches us that life is not just about choosing between love and career. It's about choosing who you want to become.